up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. To my new babies, thank you so much for stopping by. And for my double MVPs, the people who have been rocking with me, my day one subscribers, thank y'all so much for continuing to watch my videos. Today is wash day. As you can tell, I'm in very rare form today. I've already detangled my hair, and y'all, the doorbell rung, and I was like, what's that at that door? And then opened it up. I got my melanin, y'all. I'm so excited to use this. Shout out to Whitney, aka Naptural 85. I've been watching Whitney since 2013 when I went back to my natural state, and you know what? I'm just so happy for her. I'm so happy that she was able to come out with this product. So let's jump into it. Looking at the consistency, it's very, very thick. You do this, it ain't coming out. So I like that, and it's a lot. This is about 16 fluid ounces of products. And yeah, I'll tell y'all my thoughts and opinions at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, as well as the ending result of the style that I chose for this video. Let's get into the video. Starting off with freshly washed hair that's parted and ready to go. Y'all see I got my new clips? Ow! I'm going to lightly mist my hair with water first, then I'm going to go in using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Then I'm going to take my Cantu Tea Tree and Jojoba Scalp Oil. Then I'm going to get that worked into my scalp. And then I'm going to go in with my melanin and apply that from ends to roots. And once I'm done that, I'm going to take my Tangle Fix and comb the products through my hair. So I take the section of my hair and I split it into three. One side on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left side. You don't combine these sections. Make sure you maintain these three throughout. I reach underneath the middle section and grab my left section with my right pointer finger. Then I take the middle section, bring it over and underneath the left section, and grab my right section with my left pointer finger. Then I take the right side, bring it underneath my middle section, and grab the left side. And I bring the left side underneath the middle section and grab the right side. And I keep alternating the sides until I get to the end of my hair. Once I get to the end of my hair, I take my Tangle Fix, comb out the ends, and I twirl my hair to secure the braid. So my next section is a little bit different than the first one. So for this one, I'm going to split this section in three. Then I'm going to reach underneath the middle section and grab the right section with my middle finger. Then I bring the middle around and underneath my right section and grab the left section with my middle finger. Then I'm going to take the middle section, swing it around and underneath my left section and grab the right section. Then I'm going to take my right section, swing it underneath the middle and grab the left section. And then I just keep alternating the sides. Now that I finished my hair, I used a good bit of this, but it doesn't even look like I scratched the surface. Like, you can see that I used some, but there's like so much in this container that you can barely tell. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that for a second. So I can tell that Whitney was thoughtful in a way that the product was presented. And to me, it just shows that she put a lot of thought into the whole process, from telling you the exact ingredients that's in the product down to letting you know that the product line isn't a collaboration, sponsorship, or a partnership. So I thought that was very nice of her because she didn't have to include that, honestly. There was also a card in the box here that she also included in there just to kind of let you know a little bit of her background. So I thought that was nice. This is the ending result. I do have a little bit of frizz, and that's simply because of how I started taking my hair down. So as you can see, it is pretty on the frizzy side, but all in all, I think that it still looks pretty nice. I think that the product held up like it said it would. My hair seems very moisturized. I braided my hair on Saturday and here it's Tuesday, and I'm just taking my braids out, and my braids seem very elongated. The next time I use it though, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the body oil as well so that I can use them together and only those two. And I'm gonna continue to use it just to see how my hair takes to it. This is my first time using the product, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep using it and then see, you know, what happens from there. I'll see y'all in my